the field of software development, right now none of the Insti clubs are actively involved in it, and we are the closest club to it. So we plan to like expand and be able to contribute to software development and create enthusiasm in freshers about software development and open source, so that they can contribute there too.
My name is Sean Matthew. I am from the CS department. I am the current head of programming club.
So I'm Chahil Singh and I'm from CS21 and I'm the co-head of programming club.
We see that freshers, when they come in, most of them have almost zero experience with coding. So for them, the field of competitive programming exactly doesn't suit them because they don't know coding. So the way we try to get them into this and make them familiar with the overall domain is by giving them logical problems, which will help them develop the skill set, so that once they get familiar with the programming languages, they can perform much more better. From the start of the tenure, we have contests which deal with very basic topics. We conduct contests on only those topics which we conduct sessions on. So from very basics till the advanced DSA levels, which is supposed to be graphs and dynamic programming. So we go from very scratch till there and involve GSD with our contests and sessions.
Apart from that, we also have a few reverse coding events and other events. What we do is that you are given what a program does, and you need to predict the code of the program. Like you need to code for the program. So that involves a lot of reverse engineering and trying out various things. And we also hold a few mock placement and intern tests. And we had an initiative where we used to give puzzles to freshers every week and see how they're performing.
The main domains which we try to make our GSD familiar with are competitive programming, and we are getting more active this year in the domain of open source too. To have more people in the advanced level also, we have our club members taking sessions for them and monitoring their progress in certain fields. The ICPC is our main event, to be honest. Like competitive programming's main event is ICPC. For all this, you require funds because the travel, going from here to another state to another country requires budget. And luckily, we get the budget for this through Insti. So this is a very good thing which helps us grow, and we are grateful for that.